So the simplest way that I use to describe Umbrella is that it's really just providing that first line of defense against threats on the internet. And basically it means that anywhere that you are accessing the internet, that traffic goes to Umbrella first. And so it becomes kind of your secure on-ramp to the internet. And that means that we're able to block users from connecting to any sites that are hosting malware or phishing campaigns so that you're able to block threats before they ever reach your endpoints. And then if you have any devices that come onto your network that are already infected, Umbrella can contain any command and control callbacks that the malware might be making back to the attacker. So we're able to stop any sort of data exfiltration that will happen. And not only that, but you can also do content filtering. So not only can you protect users against malicious sites, but then also any unwanted sites that you don't want them to go to. And Umbrella is going to give you that protection for any device that comes onto your network, and then even IoT devices, BYOD devices that come on your network. And then Umbrella can also provide that consistent protection when users go off the corporate network as well. And so the reason that customers use Umbrella is, first of all, a lot of times their security teams are dealing with too many malware infections. So despite all of the existing security that they have, they're still getting infected too often. So they're looking for another form of protection. And then beyond that, it's also getting that protection when users are off the corporate network. Because a lot of times they're not going to VPN in anymore because they don't have to get work done. And so Umbrella is going to provide that consistent protection anywhere that they work.